A beautiful 120Hz display, a premium glass and aluminium design, triple rear cameras powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with up to 16GB of RAM for smooth gaming and a massive 6000 mAh battery to keep you going all day long. This is the OnePlus 13R and I partnered with OnePlus to tell you all about it and really put it through its paces. So we're out here in the Dubai desert. Let's firstly start off with what you'll be spending most of your time looking at, and that is this stunning display. It's a 6.78-inch 1.5K ProXDR flat display that has small uniform bezels and a 120Hz refresh rate. The OnePlus 13R display can also get super bright, and unlike other smartphones which just boost the overall brightness of the display in sunlight, the OnePlus 13R can identify the grayscale value of what's on your screen and then adjust the brightness accordingly, giving you clear and sharp visuals even in bright sunlight. Now, with a stunning display like this, you need it backed up with performance. And being a OnePlus device, you know they've got you covered. The OnePlus 13R is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage. And in India, you can get it with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. With this, not only can the OnePlus 13R handle anything that you throw at it, it's also one of the first devices in the world to support 120 frames per second gaming on BGMI in India. And it also has new frame interpolation software that instantly transforms supported games like Genshin Impact from 60 frames a second to 120 frames per second. Being in Dubai, expectedly, it is hot. But that's not going to impact my gaming on the OnePlus 13R, and that's thanks to the even larger dual cryo velocity vapor chamber, which will keep things cool. And there's even an under-display temperature sensor, which can monitor heat levels and reduce heat during gaming. The OnePlus 13R is also IP65 water and dust resistant, so even if you're out in the desert, you're not going to have to worry about getting any sand onto the device. Now let's head into the city and take a look at the rest of the device. Now you might be wondering, what's this interesting looking building behind me? Well, this is a perfect situation to use circle to search. So on the 13R, you can simply take a photo, circle to search, and it will use AI to identify what's in the image and then give you relevant information. So if you didn't already know, behind me is the Museum of the Future with an absolutely incredible, beautiful design, kind of like what we've got on the OnePlus 13R. So with the OnePlus 13R, we have this Astral Trail as well as a Nebula Noir, and we've got Gorilla Glass 7i both on the front and back, which is a new type of glass, giving you even more protection against scratches. We've then got a flat aluminium frame, which makes the device feel super premium. And then, yes, we have the alert slider on the top left. Let's now talk about the cameras. So there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and then we have a triple rear facing camera setup. The primary camera is 50 megapixels and it's using the LYT700 sensor, which has a much higher full well capacity. And this ensures that the sensor can capture a lot more light, giving you brighter, sharper and clearer images, even in low light environments. There's a new live photo mode, so you can capture even more of your moments. And then we have another 50 megapixel camera with 2x optical zoom. This gives you an ideal focal length for portraits. Now this can also extend up to 20 times, and special algorithms kick in when you go past 4x zoom, ensuring cleaner images even at extended zoom ranges. And finally, we have an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is ideal for situations where you need to get everything into frame. Speaking of getting everything into frame, let's head to the next location. So we're now here at the Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world. And fun fact, it took around 6 years to build this, which is the same amount of time of updates you're going to be getting on the OnePlus 13R. 6 years of security updates and 4 years of OS updates. So this is going to last you a while. Another fun fact of the Burj Khalifa is that it's got one of the fastest elevators in the world, which can go around 33 kilometers an hour. And that's almost as fast as Oxygen OS. The OnePlus 13R comes with Oxygen OS 15 out of the box, which has a much smaller footprint, around 20% smaller, with faster and smoother animations and parallel processing to improve the overall agility of the OS. Oxygen OS 15 also brings a bunch of new AI features. We saw circle to search earlier, but we've also got AI detail boost, AI unblur, and AI reflection eraser, as well as many more. So we've been using the OnePlus 13R all day, and it's been absolutely fine, and that's thanks to the massive 6000 milliamp hour battery, which is going to keep you going all day long, even if you are gaming. And whenever you do need a quick top up, then the OnePlus 13R does support 80 watts of fast charging. For the price we're looking at, and for that you are getting a great all-rounder. For the latest pricing, availability and offers, they will be linked down in the description below. What do you guys think of the OnePlus 13R? Drop me a comment, let me know your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this slightly different style of video. If you did, then do smash that like button for me. And if you haven't already and you want to see more content like this, then do consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.